Hi, I'm Jose, and today we will look into some of the highlights on Philippine export statistics as of January 2021, based on preliminary data from the Philippine Statistics Authority. This presentation is made up of three parts: the export figures overview, then we have the listing of top export goods, followed by the list of top export partners. Please note that all data to be presented here is based on the preliminary report on Philippine export and import statistics as of January 2021, published by the Philippine Statistics Authority. As an overview of our national export performance in the first month of the year, a total of $5,489,996,712 worth of goods were shipped out of the country. This is 5.2% lower than last year's performance in January 2020, when we exported over $5.7 billion worth of goods. Our top export product category in January 2021 is electronic products, amounting to $3,244,107,278, marking a 0.3% increase from January last year. Coming in at a distant second would be other manufactured goods with a total of $292,677,927. This is 12.8% lower than January 2020. At third place are ignition wiring sets used in vehicles, aircrafts, and ships. This category grew 13.6% from last year's levels and contributed $224,645,132 in export sales. Then we have machinery and transport equipment at $184,497,971, marking an 11.9% year-on-year decline. And rounding off the top 5 of the Philippines' top export goods are cathodes and cathode sections of refined copper, bringing in $158,779,425, up 5.0% from last year. Other items in the top 10 are chemicals, metal components, fresh bananas, coconut oil, and miscellaneous manufactured articles. Now, let's proceed to the final section of the presentation, the top export partners of the Philippines. Coming in first is the United States of America, buying $854,426,551 worth of goods. This is, however, 9.3% lower than January 2020 levels. Next is Japan with $806,043,231, marking a 13.4% decline from last year. At a close third is China with $800,056,650. Philippine exports to China in January 2021 is 16.7% higher year-on-year. Then at fourth is Hong Kong with $711,770,826, marking a 12.1% annual decline. Then closing off the top 5 is our Southeast Asian neighbor Thailand, which bought $291,926,725 in goods from the Philippines. January exports to Thailand rose 10.7% year-on-year. Other Philippine export destinations in the top 10 are Singapore, Germany, Taiwan, South Korea, and the Netherlands. And there we have it, Philippine export statistics highlights as of January 2021. Thank you, and until next time.